Okay, I've got a real nice pair of skis here. These are Salomon Rocker 2 122 skis. They're a super pair of powder skis. And I've got the Marker Dukes on them. But yesterday I was skiing them. I've skied them pretty hard here. And I noticed that the top sheet was coming off here. It was delaminating, so I was trying to figure out how to put it down well. This top sheet is super thin. This is like paper thin almost. And I was trying to figure out what kind of a glue to use. Well, probably the best thing to use right here is a weldwood contact cement. So what I did is I peeled, it's been peeled up already, and I've just basically peeled it back, and I've contact cemented both sides right here. First I cleaned it with acetone, both sides here. I use this stuff over here. Let me show you here. This is acetone. That'll clean it real good. And then I just took a rag, cleaned both sides of the surfaces there. And then I've given it 2 coats of contact cement with a brush. And then I'm waiting for it to, the first coat you let dry 15 to 20 minutes. And then the second coat here, another 15 to 20 minutes. And then what we're going to do is basically just let it dry. And then I'm going to use my, I've got a roller over here. Let me show you this guy here. What we'll do is use a laminate roller once it's dried, and then I'll release it and roll her down, and that'll adhere just fine.